Hello everyone, this is my first video and I am creating a bubble sort algorithm. Here we have a 5 value of elements. The array value, the array 1, the value is 5, the array 2, the value is 1, the array 3, the value is 4, the array 4, the value is 2, and the array 5, the value is 8. Here, we are going to compare the first two elements. The first two elements is 5 and 1. So, 5 is greater than 1? Yes. So, it will going to swap and display 1 here, and then 5, 4, 2, and 8. Next, we are going to compare the second two elements, which is 5 and 4. Is 5 greater than 4? True. So we are just going to display here the 1, 4, 5, 2, and 8. Next, we are going to compare the third two element, which is 5 and 2. Is 5 greater than 2? True. So we are just going to here 1, 4, 2, 5, and 8. Okay, now since these two elements are already inserted, okay, 5 is 5 greater than 8? False. So we do not need to swap it. This is the first pass. Okay, this is the first pass of the bubble sort. Okay, and then here is the second pass. This is the second pass, which is 1, 4, 2, 5, and 8. Here, just like what we did in the first swap or the first pass, we are just going to swap it. Okay, here 1, 4, 2, 5, 8 is 4. Okay, is 1 greater than 4? False. So we're just going to put it there, and then 4, 2, 5, and then 8. The second two elements is 4 and 2. Is 4 greater than 2? True. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, and 8. As you can see, this is already a sorted element. Okay, is 4 greater than 5? False. So just put it here 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Here this is this is already the sorted list, but our algorithm doesn't know if it is already complete. So the algorithm needs one whole pass without any swap to know it is sorted. Then we have a third pass, which is the third pass is the algorithm is just going to compare the two elements. Okay, just like this. There. If the algorithm know that this element, this 5 element, and this 5 element is already complete and already sorted, he will just going to display all the sorted elements. That's it. Okay, now we are going to code the bubble sort algorithm. The data type here is integer array 5 and then n c t swap. Then it will ask the user to print the number of elements. So printf enter number of elements. Like this. Then the format specifier is %d because we declare it as an integer. Like that. The next, it will print on how many number of elements. Enter %d integers n. Just like that. Now we are going to create a loop, a for loop. So for, we need a loop. Okay, just like that. C is equal to 0 and then C like that, C plus plus. Then scanf, of course, it is still a %d because we are declaring an integer. Array C. Okay. Next. For C is equals to 0, C is less than n minus 1, C plus plus. Just like that. Then I am just going to finish the code and I explain it again later. For d is equals to 0, d is less than n minus 1, I mean minus c minus 1, and then d plus plus. Next, if array d is greater than array d plus 1, just going to swap array d, then array d is equals array d plus 1, then display the array d plus 1 is equals to swap printf sorted list in ascending order. C, C, print F, percent D, and array C. This is okay. This is already the code for the bubble sort algorithm. Okay, as I said earlier, the two elements, we are just going to compare the two elements. If the two elements, if the array value of 1 is greater than the array value of 2, we are just going to swap it and display the array value of 2, which is the lowest number, and then the array value of 1. We are just going to push down through the array value of 1. Okay, just like this. Okay, if array D is greater than array D plus 1, it will just going to swap and display the array D, which is here, and then the array D plus 1 will just go, we are going to push down through it and display here, just like this. Okay, we are just going to run this program. Okay, let's run it to see if the element has been swapped and been sorted. Okay, 5. Okay, 5, 1, 4, 2, and then 8. Okay, as you can see in our example earlier, our 5, 1, 4, 2, 8, it's still the same as 1 is display at the top of the list, and 8 is display at the bottom of the list. It is already the sorted list and bubble sort algorithm. Okay, thank you everyone.